everyone, my name is Adhithi Ravichandran and welcome to my course React Native The Big Picture. I'm a software consultant currently working on building React Native apps. You can follow me on Twitter at Adhithi Ravi or visit my website adhithiravichandran.com to learn more about me and read blog posts from me. Are you interested in mobile development but not sure what framework to pick? React Native can enable you to build rich native mobile apps on both iOS and Android. Did you know it can build cross-platform native apps just using JavaScript? If you want to learn more about React Native and find out if it would be a good fit for your business needs, this course will be right for you. In this course React Native The Big Picture, some of the major topics that we will cover include a big picture overview of what is React Native, typical use cases of React Native, why React Native, and the diverse React Native ecosystem. Finally, we'll also learn about React Native gotchas. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of React Native and its ecosystem, and will be able to decide if React Native is a good fit for your business and team. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn React Native with the React Native Big Picture course at Pluralsight.